I compared Semrush and Ahrefs, and honestly, they're both top-tier SEO tools, but they shine in different areas. Semrush is the more feature-packed platform. It offers keyword research, site audits, backlink analysis, content optimization, social media tools, PPC insights, and even competitive ad data. If you want an all-in-one marketing suite, Semrush gives you the most tools under one roof, but the interface can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. Ahrefs, on the other hand, is known for its clean UI and extremely accurate backlink database. Its keyword research is fast, simple, and very reliable. If your main focus is ranking content, analyzing competitors, and building backlinks, Ahrefs feels more straightforward and easier to use day to day. It doesn't try to do everything. It just does SEO really well. Price-wise, both are expensive, but Ahrefs removed its cheaper starter plans, which pushed some people toward Semrush. Semrush also offers more free tools and occasional discounts. So, which is better? If you want deep SEO data and simplicity, Ahrefs wins. If you want a full digital marketing toolkit with tons of extra features, Semrush is the better choice. It really depends on how broad your workflow is.